If you like to travel around the world, around the United States or Europe, wherever you want to go, you need a backpack that you can stow above your chair, be it on a bus, a train, or an airplane. Typically, these are 40-liter backpacks. They make it easy to travel from here to there. You don't carry much stuff. You're not going to carry everything in this backpack. In this review, I cover the REI Ruckpack 40-liter version, both men and women's versions. Check it out. This is Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza. How are you doing? I hope you're having a really good day. In this video, I talk about backpacks, specifically urban backpacks. Backpacks you would take on a bus, train, or airplane trip, okay? Maybe even in your car. It's good for urban travel. It's not super sturdy and not built for, 10-5 days hiking in the mountains. It's just designed to put in your plane, carry your clothes, carry some odds and ends, maybe your camera, and get to where you're going. You're jumping from a train, you're going here, you're going there, you're going to have a great time, and you're traveling with your small 40-liter backpack. So this is the box. I'm going to be opening it up in a few seconds after I show you the stuff I got over here. First, let me show you my big backpack. These are the backpacks that I have in my inventory. This is a Gregory. I put my roll here in my sleeping bag here. I put my little tent inside, and my wife has gone, for a week at a time in the Sierras in the Rocky Mountains. We backpack in. Even has a little bell to alert the bears not to eat us immediately. And we go out there and we backpack. We take all our food. We take all our stuff. We take as much as we can with us, and we hike and trek into the mountains for a week or so. So this is super durable, super well designed, and carries all our stuff. We put that to the side. My second type of backpack that I have is my camera backpack. This is designed for maybe a couple hours walking here, walking there with your camera stuff. These pads aren't very, substantial. The other backpack had some quite substantial padding for my shoulders. And you carry all the equipment, and it's all nicely, instead of my shoulders being padded, the inside of this is very well padded and protects your camera and equipment. So it's good for maybe an hour or two walk or 3-hour walk, but you're definitely not going to climb any mountains with it. You're definitely not going to bring a bunch of stuff. Here I got my school bag. It's a typical school bag or day hike. If I'm going just hike up a mountain, come back down, I know they're going to do it within 8 hours. I can carry my lunch in here, my binoculars, my camera, some odds and ends, a sweater in case it gets cold, or a jacket, and my flashlights, and I can go on a day hike. Again, it's not the most padded shoulder. It's just good for a simple day hike. It's a very casual backpack. Okay, small, 20 liters. My other backpack that I just bought is 40 liters. In the 40-liter backpack, I plan to put my cameras in this little bag, or it's a little tiny bag, doesn't carry much. I'll probably carry my camera, maybe the zoom lens and some no filters, basically my batteries and my SD cards, keeping it simple, okay? Here's something they sell on Amazon. It's basically a little pouch for like 10-15 bucks, and it's padded, and this you can stick in your backpack and put your camera equipment. I'm a photographer. I love to carry camera equipment. I can't be seen anywhere without a camera because I love to take pictures. So I'm always going to have some stuff in my backpack that is photography related. So when I come back in a second or two, I'm going to do an unboxing of my wife's and I Ruckpack 40-liter, I hope I got that right, Ruckpack 40-liter black. We decided to get black because we wanted to be inconspicuous. We didn't want bright pink or yellow or green. We just wanted black. We just wanted to blend in wherever we go, not look like a target. We don't want to be a target. So I'm going to show you these backpacks. I'm going to do an unboxing. Check it out. Let's start the unboxing. Let me open it up with my toothpick here. So we got the box right here. Again, this is a men's and a women's, my wife's and I's. We just got one. Let me see what this one says here. This is the men's version. Let me put that out. And this is the women's version, obviously. So the men's version, this right here, this is the men's version. Let me double check, make sure they sent the right ones. And this is the women's version. The men's and the women's have different proportions for the torso. Of course, as we very all know that men and women are built a little different, just a little bit. Just a little bit, just a little bit. So these can be covered by a, right down here, you just open the Velcro, get this separated slowly but surely, and you pull out the cover. So when you're traveling and you just zip it up, this doesn't get caught anywhere, okay? This does not get caught. So there it is. That's that one. So I do like it because these have these little straps here all nice and tight right now. It has hip areas for padding for your hip, because a lot of times you carry your pack a lot on your hips. And the shoulder pads are substantial. Let me just open this up. These are substantial shoulder pads, and of course it's ventilated and padded in the back. That's very important if you're going to be taking, traveling quite a bit, because you're going to be carrying your whole life here, your clothes, your camera, your money, everything's going to be inside here. So as you're traveling, from Germany to France, Japan to Korea, Mexico to Panama, you're carrying all this stuff. If you're traveling from New York to San Francisco, you're carrying all your stuff in here. So you got to be comfortable carrying it around. So here's a nice little shot of it. Okay. What do you think? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and of course, I always forget to say this, ring the bell, so I can get some extra attention. So here it goes. Let me open this all the way. This little strap. So I'm opening it from the front all the way through the back. This is the women's version, of course, very similar to the men's version. So as you can see, it has a pouch here that you can put something. It's a good spot for a laptop, and it has this little thing here to hold it up, and this little reverse zipper that you can see the wire there. It's a reverse zipper. It's made in Vietnam. A lot of backpacks are made in Vietnam. Osprey brand and stuff like that. So you have this pouch up here also. You have this pouch right here, ventilated here, and you can fill all this. This is not designed to be super compartmentalized, okay? It's not super compartmentalized. And you have this pouch on this side that you can access from that side, okay? And this is in black. For this video, I should have got one in white, huh? Down here, you can access your rain fly. You're basically your rain cover. So it makes it waterproof. So you have a little pouch down here. Let me show you how I do that from this angle. So you have your bottle or whatever, your tripod over here. You have it going this way. This comes at a diagonal and can lock it, not necessarily lock it, but secure it pretty much in that position. So you can hold something that's about a couple feet, long here, a small, very small tripod, okay? And you can do that on both sides. So you have that option on this side and on that side. So again, the pocket right here can be adjusted, and this can be secured to hold whatever you want. Maybe your walking stick, your cane, maybe an umbrella, whatever you want. Okay. So there's really no difference between the men's and the women's other than the configuration of the body, just like you like it, of course. Most of you like it. So this is the Rucksack 40L, the Ruckpack rather, rucksack. Okay. And on top of here, you have another section. This is my final part that I'm going to show you. There's a little area here where you can maybe stick something like a hat or a cap or something like that. I wouldn't put, I wouldn't put money back there. I would stick it, if I was to put some money in this thing, not this side, the other side. This side gives you access to what's inside here, okay? It's basically another way to go inside this backpack. This side, you have a nice little soft pocket there. You have a couple little extra separations here. You can put either pens or whatever you want in there, some information. You can put a map in here. It's a great spot, I think, for a wallet. And this is the sneaky part. Over here somewhere, right on the side, right here on the side, right here, is an extra little wallet area. So it's hidden. It's a little secret area, okay? Hopefully nobody that's going to be stealing my stuff is watching this video. Okay, so that's our my little review and box opening the box of of the Ruckpack 40 liter. I like it. It's sturdy. Cost me about 140 bucks, and of course at REI I bought two of them and I got 20 bucks as a little coupon from REI, which is very nice of them. I'm a member. I've been a member for 30 years approximately. A great little company making high quality products. I have their tents, other products. So this has been Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you have any questions regarding this product, feel free to contact me. I'm going to be traveling, my wife and I, in the next few weeks. We're going to be going all over the place and be taking these backpacks. So, we wanted to upgrade from our 20-liter backpacks, our little school bags, essentially. So we wanted something, because we want to take more clothes. Where we're going, it might be a little cold, it might be a little hot. We don't know, so we have to take care of our stuff. We're just going to take a car, and then we're going to take a plane, and then a bus, okay? So we're going to be doing a lot of traveling. Again, this has been Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to ring the bell. Make sure when I, upload a video in the middle of the night, you get that little ring of the bell. That'd be fantastic, don't you think? Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.